Well, it's snowing in Los Santos, and I'm gonna go play in the snow and drive my car around in it. I'm fixing to nail this dude right here. Hey, he shouldn't have been just standing there. But yeah, it's pretty trippy, man. I got this on Xbox 360, but then now I got it on Xbox One. Last year, Christmas time, they did the snow. Looks way better on this, on Xbox One. But yeah, I wish you could really get into a snowball fight on here. I think they said something like that when they announced that they were gonna do this again, but I haven't really played around with it that much. I just jumped on to see if there was really snow on the game because I got an update for it. But yeah, I want to play some snow golf. So I need the ninjas of Warped Abominations to come play some golf with me on the snowy golf course. Let me shoot this person right here for getting in my way. Now stay out of my way. The cops called on me already because I'm in a nice neighborhood. Fuck you, dude. I'm gonna go run this dude over right here. Yeah, it's kind of fun in the snow. The streets are a little icy, but you don't really slip around as much as you think you would. But acceleration on here is a bitch because you kick up all that snow. I'm gonna go pull over right here. These guys look like they're pretty cool over here. Go hang out with them and maybe drink a piss washer. Put that gun away. I want to scare him away. Hold on. Hey, what's up, guys? Rock on. Oh shit! Here comes the cops. Oh no! Yep, they're looking for me. Oh, you have a gun and they're shooting at me. That's police brutality. They're shooting at me. I put my gun away. I don't even have it. And they're shooting at me. Yeah, I know, I shot somebody though. I shot somebody right in the head. But still, apprehend me. If you tase me, but don't shoot me and kill me. They're gonna do it anyways. I'm trying to find the word. There's a little action here where I can put hands up. He throws his hands up. I can't remember which one it is though. They're shooting at me. I need to get away from them. Oh.